Dear students, today we shall study about the new chapter. In this chapter, first we shall study about the different types of angles. So, in this, first try to understand what is angle. See here, here is a figure which shows an angle. How can you define angle? What are they in this figure? You can say there are two rays. There are two rays. But if you say angle is a figure which consists of two rays, that may not give full meaning. That may be like this. Here also two rays, but that is not, those two lines not formed an angle. So when they formed an angle, if two rays starting from a common point, then that forms an angle. Okay, so therefore we can define the angle, the figure formed by two rays which are having common starting point. This is important. The figure formed by two rays which are having common starting point is called an angle. So here in this figure, OA, OB are two rays. O is the common point. AOB is the angle and represented like this. This is angle AOB or angle AOB. We can represent angle AOB like this, angle AOB or angle AOB. This is the symbol, you know, that used to represent an angle. Now let us move to the adjacent angle. Here is a figure OA, OB, OC. Here these two are said to be adjacent angle because these two angles have a common point and a common side. This is called the common side. Here OB is the common side. OA and OC are the exterior side, and this is angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angle. Adjacent angles means two angles having a common point and a common side. Here OB is the common side, OA and OC are the exterior side. So this is the definition of the adjacent angle. Adjacent angle is a pair of angle which are having a common starting point and a common side or a common ray. Okay. Now vertically opposite angles. Here A, D and BC are cuts at O, are intersect at O. Here I am showing these. These two are into type. These two are vertically opposite angle. Angle AOB and angle COD are vertically opposite angle. Similarly, angle AOC and angle BOD, angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. These two are vertically opposite angles. So two lines are intersects each other, then two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. How many pair of adjacent angle? These two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent, these two are adjacent. So therefore, if two lines intersect each other, four pair of adjacent angles, two pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. Okay. So now corresponding angles. See here, AB and CD are two lines cut by a line PQ at X and Q. Here PQ is called a transversal. Transversal means a line which cuts two different lines at different point is called a transversal. Transversal is a line which cuts two lines at different point is called a transversal. Okay. So now here I am showing here, this is one pair of corresponding angle, just like a steps like angle, angle PXB and angle XYD is one pair. Similarly, see here, this is another pair, angle PXA and angle XYC is another pair. Okay. Similarly, angle AXY and CYQ, angle AXY and angle CYQ is another pair. Similarly, angle BXY and angle CYQ, angle BXY and angle DYQ, angle BXY and angle DYQ is another pair. So therefore, four pair of corresponding angles are formed. Steps like angles here. Observe here, steps like angles. Okay. Write this figure wonderful by using colors, then you can understand easily. Okay. So when a transversal cuts two lines, then four pair of corresponding angles are formed. How many pair of vertically opposite angle? This is one pair vertically opposite angle. This is another pair, two pair. This is three pair. This is four pair. So four pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. How many adjacent angles? One pair, two pair, three pair, four pair. Similarly, five pair, six pair, seven pair, eight pair. So eight pair of adjacent angle, four pair of vertically opposite angle, four pair of corresponding angles are formed. Now alternate angles. See here this figure. AXB, AB and CD are two lines which are cut by a transversal PQ at X and Y. So then two pair of alternate angles are formed. This is Z-like angle or opposite Z, Z-like angle. See here, angle BXY and angle XYC, angle BXY and angle XYC. Similarly, another pair, AXY and XYD, AXY and XYD, another pair. So two pair of alternate angles are formed. So vertically opposite angles are into type, corresponding angles are steps type, alternate angles are Z type. Now interior angle and exterior angle. This is easy. Interior angle means inner angle, exterior angle means outer side angle. Here when a transversal cuts two lines, then four interior angles. See here, one, not pair here, two, three, four. See here, angle PXY, angle QYS, not QYC, QXY, XYR, XYS. These are the four pair of interior angles. Similarly, exterior angles, outside angles. Here, four outside angles. Four outside angles. See here, this is one, another, another, another. So four pair. AXQ, AXP, ASYB, RYB. These are four, not pair, four exterior angles are formed. So these are all the angles. So now I will give an activity. Define adjacent angle. If two lines intersect each other, dash pair of adjacent angle and dash pair of vertically opposite angles are formed. Here match the following. If a transversal cuts two lines, then number of pair of adjacent angles are given. Pair of adjacent angles 4 pair. Match the following. How many pair of alternate angles? How many pair of adjacent angles? How many pair of not? How many interior angles? How many pair of vertically opposite angles? And draw the figure to represent each adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles, separate figure. Write the separate figure, corresponding angles, alternate angles, interior angles, and exterior angles. Okay, this is an activity for you. So thank you. We will meet on the next class.